Hi guys and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video we're going to talk about traditional interior design ideas. So let's get started. One of the most memorable eras of the past inspires traditional interior design. While classic, this style can certainly be comfortable. These warm and comforting spaces often overflow with sophisticated layered designs. Elegant and classy traditional interior design is a timeless choice that will never go out of style. Plus, it is able to give a sense of sophistication to just about any interior. Traditional style interior design creates sophisticated spaces, focusing on ornate details as well as historic inspired furniture and decor. Layers of pattern and texture add to the charm of curated conventional rooms. This style is also heavily influenced by the 18th and 19th century European homes. Eliciting a sense of history, these well-put interior designs are formal yet welcoming. First of all, a traditional interior design makeover begins in the structure of the room itself. Moldings, trims, and railings are all typical elements in period homes and set the right mood for a traditional style. If your home is more modern though, you still can introduce these details later. For instance, fixing wood profiles on drywall is a very easy way to hack a molding, and the result is definitely realistic. In addition, if you're looking for living room ideas, try adding wallpapers that will give you the look without taking up any space. Moldings, furniture pieces, accessories in a traditional interior design, intricate carved details are everywhere. By adding a decorative layer to almost every element of the room, they contribute to the elevated look of this style, adding texture and character. To introduce carved details in your space, try with the big pieces. A carved sofa or bed will be enough to make a distinctive traditional statement. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If anything, heavy line drapes are a signature of traditional interiors, and the look is often completed with matching cornices or valances. Also, you will always see full-length drapes that make the window treatment even more impactful. Actually, this is a visual trick that applies to any style. A floor-to-ceiling window treatment is tested pro strategy to make the room look taller and the space airier. Then, whatever the actual size of your window is, frame them with full-height drapes in a thick fabric. And if you need privacy, install 2 layers of curtains, a sheer and a thicker one. Forget the clean and unfussy lines of modern furniture. Traditional pieces are all ornate and curvy. Caprioli furniture legs, fluffy upholsteries, and swirls everywhere give traditional interiors a unique, majestic yet inviting feel that sets them apart from any other interior design style. So when you go shopping, always look for curvy profiles, and you'll see the style of your room become more and more traditional at every curve that you add. Another important element of traditional interior design is that solid colors are never left alone. In fact, you will always find a mix of patterned fabrics. Stripes and florals are definite go-to choices, but not every stripe or floral works. Elegant, rich, and ordered are the features to look for when choosing a pattern for traditional design. Besides being just beautiful, patterns help to introduce an accent color and tie in the color scheme. Damask fabric are also a great choice to create an interesting tone-on-tone effect without adding too many colors to the design. Because if colors are more than welcome in a traditional design, you will never see too many hues mixed together. To bring traditional patterns into your room, start small by adding pillows and blankets. Then, if you like the result, you will continue with bigger jobs like new curtains and upholsteries. In addition, if you ever have a doubt on furniture placement or accessorizing, go in pairs. Indeed, symmetry is one of the features that every traditional interior has. 2 armchairs on the sides of a fireplace, a pair of lamps on a buffet cabinet, or 2 matching artworks on the wall are just some examples that come in every traditional interior design. In fact, symmetry is naturally soothing to our eyes and immediately makes the space feel balanced and calm. And who wouldn't want their home to be balanced and calm? I'm sure you will have understood it so far. A traditional interior is all but minimalist. So feel free to layer textures and decorations to give your home that cozy and full appearance that is typical of traditional interior. Light fixtures are no exception to this rule. Huge crystal chandeliers, highly decorated sconces, and sculptural table lamps are always an essential element in a traditional interior and are chosen to stand out in the space. So make your light fixtures make a statement too. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.